ocean Ecostructure. Founded in 2020. Spain. Green tech, clean tech.
Good morning. In the last few years, over 50% of marine biodiversity has been lost, and today, over 16,000 marine species are in danger. The ocean is experiencing unprecedented pressure from human activities, and this will get worse. And we must do something about it. And we need real solutions to offset our impact and turn our activities into ocean-friendly. And that is exactly what we do at Ocean Ecostructures. We provide solutions to restore marine life, offsetting the impact of human activities. We turn gray spaces into blue oases. Our technology, the Life Boosting Unit, a unique biomimicry microreef specifically designed to be installed on marine structures with an outstanding bioregeneration capacity, able to grow up to 6 times the number of species in a very short period of time. That means bringing back life to damaged areas. On top of that, we provide our customers with high value-added services, monitoring, reporting, a digital platform, communication tools, all those allowed to provide evidence of the real impact of our solution and turns up into consistent, tangible benefits to our customers, not just offsetting, but also cost saving, fulfilling ESG and compliance requirements, generating social engagement. We're in front of a more than 3 billion euros opportunity, just considering marine infrastructures. And the best of it, we are the only company with the technology to provide such features to our customers. Our business model, simple 2 alternative revenue streams: subscription, monthly fee per unit, or direct sale. And the team building this up is made of a highly experienced, complementary, and above all, absolutely passionate about the ocean group of people. So far, we have validated technology, products, and business model with over 100 paid units in the market and a large pipeline, corporate projects up and running, won over 2 million euros grants for R&D, and raised 1.5 million for seed funding. This is allowing us to now focus on building a very powerful foundation to really scale up and extend our solution globally. Our goal, to reach up to 1 million units installed, microreefs installed by 2030. That means generating over 30,000 hope spots around the globe. And we would like to invite you all to join us in our journey to heal the ocean at large scale. Thank you so much.